Alright, so this is water time. So we're gonna wait until it's done and decide if it's ready.
But for now, you can just watch me going on my Halo scooter. Whoa, really?
Not in the yard. Yay. And I think it's done.
It is
Done. Now, everyone, run! So we're gonna be over here and, yeah, wait. Wait on this video. Okay, so you turned it off, eh? Definitely need some rocks.
Halo tricks.
Yeah, definitely need some rocks. Dang. So, let's try this again, okay? Yeah.
Did you guys see that explosion in the air?
No.
Hey, Aubrey, you know what we're trying to do, right?
What?
Trying to make that a swamp plant or jungle.
Yeah, but I'm putting rocks in there. Because jungles probably have rocks at the bottom.
Kind of.
Hi, Mom. So we're making a little forest water lake.
I see you're filling it up, so maybe you should.
No, it's already done filling up.
Yeah, done. Finish filling it up. Where's your almost full?
It's finished.
Oh, okay, good.
So, let's see. You know what I'm thinking? So we're just watering the plants.
Excuse me.
So, yeah. Yeah. So we're finished with the video. Goodbye, everyone. But now,
We'll
let's
see you in part 2 of the plant.